It's indicative of the way the owner has cared for the boat. Look at the, at the top of the food chains, the Hatterases of the world, and the difference is they're bigger. That doesn't necessarily mean better. She is a really cool boat. So, helm station, you saw a little bit. We have our Volvo joystick. We've got autopilot. We've got a Garmin screen all the way forward. We have a setup for another screen right there, which is wired and ready to go. All of our gauges, easy access, single lever to operate the boat, and also a sport fish mode, which you look at right here. So we can back the boat down hard using both of our motors. So that's a really cool feature. Storage here, stereo system. I don't know if you notice the isinglass. It's almost like it's not here. It's that beautiful. Absolutely magnificent, crystal clear, completely rigid. It looks like it was put on last week, and yet it wasn't. It's indicative of the way the owner has cared for the boat.